Hello folks, welcome to another video. I'm Asad from Tech Support. Today I'll show you guys how to make your computer faster without using any software, and it's free. Enough talking, let's get to the video.
Tech Support.
Today we have planned a special giveaway for the viewers. The process is we will ask you 2 questions in the video, and all you have to do is comment your answer below. For the first 10 people, we will give 100 taka. This giveaway is only available for those who lives in Bangladesh. Our computer gets slower time to time. Sometimes we don't even know the exact reason. The steps I'm gonna be showing in this video will make your computer faster. Basically, what I'll be doing is cleaning all the unnecessary files from the computer. I can guarantee you that this process will make your computer faster than before. The first step is to close all the startup programs. To do this, we have to go to the settings from the startup button, then click on apps, and then we can see on the left bottom side there is an option called startup. Click on startup, then you can see all the programs starts when I boot my computer. Some of them are unnecessary. I'll turn them off now. For example, I'll turn off the startup process for Cortana, Opera web browser, screen recorder, Steam, uTorrent, Skype. You can turn off the software startup that doesn't need to be started when the computer starts. It's up to you. Just select those softwares and turn it off. We will also turn off background apps for the computer. It's basically we'll turn off the apps that runs on the background when you turn on your computer. To do that, all you have to do is open settings and click on privacy. Then if you scroll down, you can see there's an option called background apps. Click on that. You can see all the apps that runs on background here. You can turn off the apps that you don't need to be running on the background. It makes the computer more faster. Second step is to delete unnecessary files. To do this, you have to press the Windows button and the Run button at the same time. Then the thing on the left bottom corner will pop up. You have to type exactly what I'm typing here. Type the %sign, then type TEMP, then % again. Then press OK. You can see all the temporary files here. We're going to select all of these files and delete it. Some files will not be deleted, so just leave it like that. And by deleting this file, we will not create any problem for the computer, so you can delete it. To continue, you have to press Windows button and the R button at the same time like before, and then type prefetch. The spelling is PREFETCH. Then you can see all the files just like before. Select all of those files and delete it. And yes, don't forget to empty your recycle bin after deleting these files. Now it's time for the giveaway questions. I will be asking 2 questions. The first question is, who is the founder of Microsoft? I'll repeat again, who is the founder of Microsoft? And the second question is, who is the founder of Apple? I'll repeat again, who is the founder of Apple? All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and comment the answer below. You can just answer one of those questions. You don't have to answer both of those. First 10% will get 100 Taka mobile balance reload, or we can send it to your bKash account if you want to. Now let's continue with the last step of the video. We'll clean up our disk in this process. To do this, all you have to do is go to my computer, then right click on your mouse and click on properties. As you can see, there's option called tools. Click on tools, then click on optimize. Then select the disk you want to clean and click optimize. It will take some time for the optimization. Wait for it to finish. Then go to the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup. Tick all the options and click on OK. Then click on delete files. It will delete all the unnecessary files, and don't forget to delete files from your recycle bin too. That's all for today. This will definitely make your computer faster than before. Thanks for watching. Stay connected.